Did any doctor criticize the care that you received? You want to know why I ask that question to every single person who calls about a possible medical malpractice matter? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, you believe a doctor caused you significant harm and injury. You believe a doctor violated the basic standards of medical care. And now you pick up the phone to call to see whether or not you may have a valid case. So now I'm going to ask you 4 questions on the telephone. Number 1, where did this happen? What state? What town? Number 2, when did this happen? I need to know if your matter is still timely. Number 3, what injuries did you receive because of whatever wrongdoing occurred? And number 4, what do you think was done wrong? And in the span of those 4 questions and the answers you provide to me, I will know in just a few moments whether or not I think you may have a valid case. So now you may be asking yourself, why would I ask you on the telephone whether or not any doctor has criticized the care that you received? I'll tell you why. Because in New York, we are required to get confirmation by a doctor who has either treated you or a doctor who has reviewed all your records that number 1, there was wrongdoing. Number 2, the wrongdoing caused injury, or I should say was a cause of your injury. And number 3, that the injury is significant or permanent. We must have medical confirmation by either a doctor who's treated you or a medical expert for each one of those things. Only then can we go forward with a valid case. Many times the person calling will say, no, I didn't speak to any other doctor. And you know what? That's okay. But I will still want to ask the question whether or not any doctor did criticize the care that you received. But sometimes these callers turn around and say, but you know doctors, they don't rat on each other. They're not going to tell me about another doctor doing something wrong. And that's okay. But sometimes during the course of casual conversation, these comments come up. And if it does, I want to know about it, because that will give me some hint or some indication that maybe there is a valid basis to a case here before I send all the records out, before I do a full and thorough investigation. So that's why I asked the question about whether or not any doctor has criticized the care that you've received by your original treating doctor. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.